Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's videos. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is playing with numbers. So in this chapter we have discussed what are the factors and how to find the factors. One more time we will recall that, and we will continue the exercise 3.1. we will take one question from question number 1. We will take one part, two part already we have solved out in the previous video. So in this we will take the part F. Find the factors of 20. We have to find the factors of 20. So what we will do, we will divide 20 divided by 1, that is 20. 20 comes in the table of 2, 2 times 20. 20 does not comes in the table of 3, it comes in the table of 4. 4 5 is 20. 20 comes in the table of 5. 5 4 is 20. Now 4 has been repeated here, 5 has been repeated here. So we will stop here and we will draw one box like this, and the numbers within the box will be the factors of 20. So the answer, factors of 20 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. From where these number came? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. This is the proper method. We can note down the factors by dividing only without any method, but the chance of skipping any number is there. We can skip any number, or we can write 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and if we are following this method, each and every factor will be there and they will be arranged in a ascending order that looks good. So I hope that you have understood, and you can now find out the factors of all the numbers given in the question number 1. Now in question number 2, find the multiples. Question number 2, find the first 5 multiples. Find the first 5 multiples of 5, 8 and 9. So first 5 multiples means of that first part is 5. So multiples will be the table, means 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. How many multiples are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Multiples can be endless. हम मल्टीप्लाई करते रहेंगे, मल्टीपल्स निकालते रहेंगे. 5 6 is 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. टेबल ख़त्म हो गया, बट वी कैन कंटिन्यू 55, 60, 65, 70. So there can be infinite number of multiples of a given number. At the same time, in second question, second part, we have to find the multiples of 8. Then we are supposed to write the table of 8. 8, 16, 32, 40, 48, so on, means endless. So we can write how many multiples which are required according to a question. We can find those number of multiples of a given number. That is a difference. Some differences are there between factors and multiples. Factors can never be more than the number. कोई भी नंबर था 20 का, अभी हमने निकाला था फैक्टर्स. 20 के फैक्टर्स हमारे क्या होते हैं? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. All the numbers are less than the number 20 except 20. 20 is equals to 20. So the factors cannot be more than a given number. जिसके फैक्टर है उससे ज़्यादा उससे बड़े फैक्टर्स नहीं हो सकते हैं. Here the multiples either be equal or more than. मल्टीपल्स या तो इक्वल होंगे या लार्जर होंगे, फैक्टर्स या इक्वल होंगे या स्मॉलर होंगे. सो दिस इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फैक्टर्स. सेकंड डिफरेंस इज देयर विल बी फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स. फिक्स नंबर है कि कितने फैक्टर होंगे 20 के, 1 2 3 4 5 6. इफ समवन इज आस्किंग राइट 7 फैक्टर्स ऑफ 20, वी कैन नॉट राइट द 7 फैक्टर बिकॉज देयर आर ओनली 6 फैक्टर्स. Here in the multiples we can write 5 multiples, 10 multiples, 50 multiples. How many multiples are required, we can write those number of multiples of a given number. These are the differences between factors and multiples. Next question is third question. Match the following. In that you can match either I think that you can easily match that, you can easily complete that question. We will discuss now only. 35 is a multiple of 7 because 35 comes in the table of 7. 15 is a factor of 30 because 30 is divisible by 15. 16 is a multiple of 8. 20 is a factor of 20 and 25 is a factor of 50. So this is question number third of exercise 3.1. In this way our exercise 3.1 is complete. Now before 3.2 we are supposed to discuss two new terms, that is prime number and composite numbers. Prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers, the numbers having exactly two factors are called prime numbers. Second one is the composite numbers. Composite numbers. Prime numbers having exactly two factors, and the composite numbers, the numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. We will take some example. Factors of 1, factors of 2, factors of 3, factors of 4. We have taken first 4 natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, so the factor of 1 will be only 1. The factor of 2 will be 1 and 2. The factor of 3 will be 1 and 3. The factor of 4 will be 1, 2 and 4. Here we can see that 2 and 3 are having exactly 2 factors, and according to a definition, the numbers having exactly 2 factors are called prime numbers. So these two numbers are prime numbers. Prime numbers. means in another way we can say the numbers which are coming in their own table. अब 1 की टेबल में सारे नंबर आते हैं, बट जो नंबर अपनी टेबल में ही आते हैं, खुद से ही डिविजिबल है, दोज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड प्राइम नंबर्स. Then factors of 4 we are having, there are we can see there are 3 factors of 4. So according to the definition of composite numbers, the numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. So this is the composite number. Now 1 is having exactly 1 factor. So 1 doesn't follow the rules of either prime nor कंपोजिट. ना तो ये प्राइम नंबर्स की कैटेगरी में आ रहा है, ना ये कंपोजिट नंबर की कैटेगरी में आ रहा है. प्राइम नंबर वो होते हैं जिनके 2 होते हैं, कंपोजिट नंबर वो होते हैं जिनके 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर होते हैं. बट 1 इज हैविंग एग्जैक्टली 1 फैक्टर, दैट मीन इट इज़ नाइदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. 1 ना तो हमारा प्राइम है और ना ही हमारा कंपोजिट है. सो दिस इज द definition of prime number and composite number. This definition you are supposed to note down in your rough notebook, as it is what I have written here on the board. At the same time, if the question is there that which is the smallest prime number, so 2 is the smallest prime number. Which is the smallest odd prime number, that is 3. Which is the smallest even prime number, 2. Which is the only even prime number, again 2. So and which is the smallest composite number, that is 4. So all these things you are supposed to keep in your mind. Afterwards you can easily discuss the questions number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 you are supposed to complete today only, is as these 2 questions are in the homework. At the same time you are supposed to again revise chapter number 1, chapter number 2, because tomorrow is Saturday. On Saturday and Sunday there will be no classes, and on Monday there is the Raksha Bandhan. That's why on that day also again we are not having the classes. So we will be back with the new videos on Tuesday. Till then you are supposed to practice the questions, which the exercises which we have discussed today, and the exercises which we have discussed previously as well. And you are supposed to utilize the time. You are not supposed to waste any of your time in the unwanted activities. Thank you very much.